Oh, hi people. What follows is an inventory of what's currently still on CATMANTOO and a sort of timeline of the changes since we bought her. As I said previously, although in the past I certainly would have taken her on to repair her, I just don't have the time to either supervise or do them myself. And I think you've probably seen one of the reasons why that's the case. So for the first time in, I don't know, 20 years, it won't be a summer on the boat. Back 20 years ago, we used to go camping with the kids because it was easier than going out in the boat. Prior to that, from about 1990, I suppose, every summer was spent on the boat. Previously travelling light, and then more recently, last 11 years, CATMANTOO. The insurance company is responsible for the boat, so it's no longer in my hands or ownership. I don't know what they're currently planning, but I'd imagine it will be on an auction or tender, and someone with effort and money will manage to get themselves a good, relatively cheap cruising boat. We are currently dealing with Dad's estate. Last week has been particularly difficult, but still thinking about what vessel we'll purchase. But there's no rush at this stage. Oh, here's the good side, and here's the bad side. Right, well, this is the port side, the obvious problem. So keel's gone, obviously. Good chew into the ply. There's major damage in here, and here's the hole. So they put foam in there. Very good idea. I can't say I would have thought of that, but yeah, it's definitely been chewed away. I think glass would have just been cheese grated even more. So yeah, so quite a big length there. Some more here. So sail drive's been pushed up. There's the foam they put in. Kiwi prop. So you can buy new blades for them. And here's the rudder, of course. So bent over at about 70 degrees. We actually rebuilt this one last year, so definitely needs a new shaft, probably new bearings. The rudder can be rebuilt. The new helm seat we put in this year. Swivel slide. There's the course computer for the autopilot, and then down next grey box in there is the Raymarine HS Ethernet switch, the receiver for the masthead wind instruments, and various connections. To be expected, the lithium bank's fully charged because there's actually no current draw at the moment. And here's the 200 amp hour lithium iron phosphate house bank and the battery management system, contactors, fuses. So apparently this engine went right under. So we can see the sail drive has been pushed up and separated off the hull. There's the foam they put in. Oh, this is the start of engine bay. Apparently water got up to the sump. Would have been splashed in from the waves breaking on the back of the boat. The steering tyre has got a big bend in it. So apart from the rudder tie bar, things seem alright on this side. Let's close her up. Here's the starboard side, sail drive, kiwi props, all fine. Rudder needs a small repair. I think it's Ishbar or something, electronic hot air diesel heater. The rudder feedback for the autopilot's disconnected by the salvers. Manifold system with separate switching for the supply and return. Granddad's on the dishes duty. 2 Harkin 48 primary winches for the jib. She's looking good.